got a little, she better. I got my whip up prepared. Got my carrots, my ears. Put up no word, she know she. Keep it real and talk up the spirit. I lost the feeling of drinking. I got caught in the urge. She fuck come up from the earth. She came with no business, a little bit scared. Really don't say this, let me. I'm really rich nigga, I'm born Brazil. My bitch, she found us a bitch. Go fuck on, she took her tomorrow. Break up. I go to sprint, I go to take off a cash, yeah, I'm not a dog. I went in the songs, I went to Mars, yeah, streets get out of the law. Everything gon' go, I got a new one guard, suicide doors, reaching my goals, thinking my heavenly father. I'm on my grind, ain't no slowing down, I done put up the bottles. I'm on that pretty boy, shit, yeah, I'ma just stick to the bottles. I got
show my ass, and I'm in my bag, oh, that's what they mad, that's what they mad, and I'm getting cash, and pussy shit nigga don't have, that's what they mad, that's what they mad, and I'm getting cash, and I'm in my bag, that's what they mad, that's what they mad, and I'm getting cash, and I'm in my bag, oh, that's what they mad. Swear to God, you know nigga that I say focus. Some of my partner, but some of them low. Bitch can't let me be that pussy open. Neighborhood nigga, I'm rolling. Stuck me a nigga, live his whole eye swollen. Motherfuck every nigga on my page trolling. Play game with me, I shoot shit. I go to be, so it might be golden. Freaking my sheets, then you know that she glowing. Just serve me a spit and I ain't talking about bone. Dick with a comb, then you know that she. Some bills for the low, then you know that we want it. Go ahead, let a nigga put that speed on it. Thick, long tongue, let me put my meat on it. That's a little bitch up, rock a sheep on it. That bitch down, gotta holler, she moan it. Let me see a buck, but I heard that she on me. Heard he was green, so I put that re on it. Size nigga, put the fuck